Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about skimming and scanning. Do you ever feel like you spend way too much time reading? Do you have trouble determining which parts of a text are the most important? Do you wish you could collect information from books in a quicker and more efficient way? If so, consider speed reading, which could help you to read faster and smarter. Two of the most common strategies of speed reading are skimming and scanning. Skimming is used when we are taking a quick look at a written text to establish its genre and the main message its writer means to get across. In other words, you would skim to get a general overview of the text. Scanning is a reading rapidly in order to find specific information in the text. Skimming is like snorkeling and scanning is more like pearl diving. Scanning is used in research to find particular facts, to study fact heavy topics, and to answer questions requiring factual supports. Skimming is a form of previewing the better understanding what readers read. Readers will become better at determining what parts of the text are most important. It helps readers to cover a vast amount of material more quickly. It helps readers recall a text content and structure faster. Okay, these are the skimming strategies. Beginning and ending, read first and last sentences of paragraphs. First and last paragraphs of a major section and introductions and summaries of chapters. Read and carve. Read only the amount of text necessary to determine if a section presents a main idea or support for a main idea. Visual and verbal cues. Watch for signal words and phrases that indicate an author's direction. For example, however, although, moreover, in addition, and so on. Okay, things to focus on while skimming. Okay, as stated earlier, skimming is identifying the general impression of the text, and you are not going to read every word of the text. Thus, it would be beneficial to focus on these items when you skim. First of all, introduction and conclusion, chapter, section summaries, first and last sentences, titles, subtitles, and headings, bold words, charts, graphs, pictures, end of chapter review questions. Here are a few effective active reading strategies to pair with skimming. First of all, set a purpose for reading, then review, also make a prediction, activate your prior knowledge, annotate, summarize the main ideas, and ask and write down general questions. So, I hope you can apply these active reading strategies. Let's move on to scanning. Scanning is the other method of speed reading besides skimming. As you start reading, you should skim or scan the text first. The answer depends on the purpose of your reading, and if you are looking for specific details in the text, then you should go for scanning. Here are some of the scanning strategies that you could use when reading a text. Look for keywords, pay attention to headings and subheadings, scan for visuals. Look for the first and last sentence of the paragraphs. Use your peripheral vision. Focus on reading for specific information. Okay, as for practice, try scanning different types of text, such as news articles, research papers, and technical manuals to develop your scanning skills. When we are scanning to answer comprehension questions, first read each question completely before scanning. Choose your keywords from the question itself. Then look for answers to only one question at a time. Scan separately for each question. After that, you locate a keyword. Read the surrounding text carefully to see if it is relevant. Then reread the question to determine if the answer you found answers this question. Okay, everyone. In conclusion, skimming and scanning are the two most common strategies of speed reading. Skimming involves quickly reading a text to get a general overview of the material, identifying the main ideas, themes, or the author's main argument. And scanning is reading rapidly to find specific facts or information within the text. It involves looking for particular details or pieces of information without reading everything. Okay, that's all. Thank you.